Jana Bieger's been very consistent as well. All in the nines. Her lowest score, a 9.166. And here she is on the uneven bars.
She actually had a better competition than she thought possible. Was second at the qualifying meet, the classic for this. Said it was more than she thought could ever happen.
And really competing like she's been a senior for a couple of years already. She's just been solid, but this is exactly how she trains as well. She makes very few mistakes.
And with its melting pot origins, is there anything more appropriate than to have two women, one born in Russia and one born in Germany, factoring in top 4 of the American National Championship?
Another solid performance.
Great day one as her first senior competition in the USA. Great job.